Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a hanging gift wrap storage station with the Green Garmento. You will need a Green Garmento bag, recycled hangers from the dry cleaner, and clothespins. First, take your clothespins and attach the wrapping paper to a wire hanger. Next, take a drapery hanger. These are the wire hangers that have the cardboard tube at the base, and gently remove the tube and slide the spools of ribbon right on. Clip your reusable gift wrap bags to a hanger as well. This is where the Green Garmento bag really comes in handy. You can store your paper gift bags and gift boxes in the zippered pouch. I also like to put my scissors, tape, and gift tags in there as well. And because I'm extra, I like to use the ticket window to label what's inside. You can download these label templates for free at thegreengarmento.com. And that's it! And now all my gift wrap supplies store neatly in my closet.